Hey everybody, how you doing? This is going to be video 2 on the KTM upgrade. We're going to take it from dirt to street so we can go from street to trail. Makes a lot of sense, don't it? We're going to get the plastics pulled off because I have yet another surprise for everybody. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell for future notifications because you're going to want to see this thing come to life. Anyway, we're going to get our tools together, we're going to get the plastics off, and we're going to go to our next step.